Welcome to the Fluent English podcast. Today we'll be diving into the wonders of the Amazon rainforest, one of the most vital and vibrant ecosystems on Earth. Join me as we explore its incredible wildlife, its importance in regulating global climate, and the challenges it faces due to deforestation and climate change. Stay tuned for an eye-opening journey into the heart of the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest, Earth's lungs and biodiversity hotspot. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as Earth's lungs, is one of the planet's most vital ecosystems, serving not only as a source of incredible biodiversity but also as a critical regulator of the global climate. Spanning approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, 2.1 million square miles, it covers parts of 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. However, over 60% of the Amazon lies within Brazil's borders. It is home to an extraordinary variety of plant and animal life and plays a pivotal role in the Earth's carbon and water cycles. Geography and climate of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is situated in the Amazon basin, a massive, low-lying region of South America primarily shaped by the vast Amazon River and its tributaries. The river system spans more than 4,000 miles, 6,400 kilometers, and serves as a central artery for transportation, biodiversity, and the regulation of the rainforest's ecosystem. The climate in the Amazon is typically tropical, with high humidity and temperatures ranging from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius. The rainforest experiences abundant rainfall, averaging between 80 inches, 2,000 millimeters, and 120 inches, 3,000 millimeters, annually, most of which occurs during the wet season from December to May. This constant influx of water creates a dense, green canopy and an environment rich in plant and animal life. Biodiversity, the riches of the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is arguably the most biodiverse region on the planet. It is estimated that the rainforest is home to about 10% of the known species on Earth, a staggering figure considering the relatively small proportion of the planet it occupies. There are millions of species of insects, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals, many of which have yet to be discovered. The area also boasts about 400 billion individual trees representing 16,000 different species. Some of the most famous and iconic creatures found in the Amazon include 1. Jaguar, Panthera onca. The largest cat in the Americas, jaguars are apex predators and play a critical role in regulating the population of other animals in the forest. 2. Amazon river dolphin, Inia geofrensis. This unique pink freshwater dolphin is one of the many aquatic species that inhabit the river's waters. 3. Poison dart frog, Dendrobatidae family. Known for its vibrant colors and potent toxins, these frogs are a vivid example of the rainforest's adaptive evolution. 4. Harpy eagle, Harpia harpygia. One of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, this bird of prey can be found in the canopy of the Amazon rainforest. 5. Sloths, known for their slow movements, sloths are well adapted to life in the treetops of the rainforest. In addition to these well-known species, the Amazon is home to countless other organisms, some of which may hold secrets to curing diseases, improving agriculture, or advancing our understanding of biology. It is estimated that scientists discover thousands of new species in the Amazon each year. The forest's immense variety of plant life is equally impressive. From towering mahogany trees to the spiny vines that snake up their trunks, the rainforest supports diverse ecosystems from the forest floor to the uppermost layers of the canopy. These plants provide not only food and shelter for wildlife but also have practical applications for humans, with many tropical plants used in medicines, textiles, and other industries. Ecological importance. The Amazon is often called the lungs of the earth because of its essential role in producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. The forest acts as a massive carbon sink, storing approximately 100 billion metric tons of carbon, which helps mitigate the effects of climate change. However, deforestation in the Amazon has caused significant concern, as it reduces the forest's ability to absorb CO2 and increases the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Moreover, the Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating the water cycle. The trees and plants of the rainforest release large amounts of moisture into the atmosphere through transpiration, which helps maintain regional rainfall patterns. This process not only sustains the rainforest itself but also has implications for agriculture and water supply in regions far beyond the Amazon, including parts of the United States, Argentina, and southern Africa. Threats to the Amazon rainforest. Despite its immense value to the global ecosystem, the Amazon rainforest faces significant threats, primarily from human activities. The most pressing issue is deforestation, largely driven by agricultural expansion. As the global demand for beef, soy, and palm oil increases, vast tracts of rainforest are cleared for cattle ranching and large-scale farming. Logging operations, both legal and illegal, also contribute to the destruction of the forest. Between 2000 and 2018, over 80 million hectares, 200 million acres, of forest were lost in the Amazon, much of it to land conversion for agriculture. This trend has accelerated in recent years, due in part to political and economic policies that prioritize development over conservation. In addition to land clearing, mining for gold, copper, and other minerals further threatens the environment, with toxic chemicals such as mercury contaminating the waterways. The expansion of urban areas and infrastructure projects, such as roads and dams, also pose significant threats. These activities not only fragment the forest, making it more vulnerable to environmental degradation, but also create pathways for illegal activities like poaching and illegal logging. The loss of biodiversity is another critical concern. As species lose their habitats, many face the risk of extinction. The extinction of just one species can have ripple effects across the ecosystem, disrupting food webs and ecological balance. The loss of forests also threatens the indigenous peoples who have lived in the Amazon for millennia, relying on its resources for food, medicine, and cultural practices. Conservation efforts and sustainable solutions. Efforts to protect the Amazon rainforest have intensified in recent decades, with a growing awareness of its importance for global climate stability. International organizations, local governments, and indigenous groups have joined forces to preserve the rainforest, though challenges remain. One of the key strategies for conservation is the establishment of protected areas and reserves. Brazil, for example, has designated large portions of the Amazon as national parks and indigenous territories, which restrict certain types of development. These protected areas are critical for maintaining biodiversity and providing safe havens for endangered species. Sustainable land management practices are also crucial for balancing economic development with environmental protection. Agroforestry, for example, involves growing crops alongside trees, ensuring that the forest remains intact while still allowing for productive land use. Programs that support sustainable logging and ecotourism also offer economic alternatives to deforestation, providing local communities with livelihoods while conserving natural resources. Perhaps the most important element of protecting the Amazon is ensuring the rights of indigenous peoples, who have been the guardians of the forest for centuries. Indigenous communities have developed intricate knowledge of the forest's ecology and possess a deep understanding of sustainable living. Many indigenous groups have been at the forefront of advocacy for the Amazon, working to prevent land grabs and illegal logging while promoting cultural preservation and ecological stewardship. International efforts to combat climate change, such as the Paris Agreement, also recognize the need to protect forests like the Amazon. Financial incentives, such as those offered by the Green Climate Fund, encourage countries to reduce deforestation and protect critical ecosystems through mechanisms like carbon trading and forest conservation programs. The future of the Amazon rainforest. The future of the Amazon rainforest is uncertain. On one hand, the forest continues to face significant threats from human activity. On the other hand, there is growing recognition of the Amazon's value, not just to the countries in which it resides, but to the world as a whole. Global climate change, biodiversity loss, and environmental degradation are interconnected, and saving the Amazon is crucial for addressing these challenges. If the deforestation rate continues to increase, the rainforest may reach a tipping point, beyond which it may be unable to regenerate itself, potentially leading to a phenomenon known as a savanization of the region, where the once lush forest transforms into a drier, less biodiverse ecosystem. However, there is still hope. With increased international cooperation, indigenous rights protection, and the promotion of sustainable practices, it is possible to reverse some of the damage and ensure the survival of this invaluable ecosystem. The future of the Amazon is not only a matter for the countries of South America, but for all of humanity. Protecting the Amazon is an investment in the health and stability of the planet as a whole. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest is a magnificent and complex ecosystem that plays an irreplaceable role in maintaining life on Earth. It is home to unparalleled biodiversity and is crucial for regulating the global climate, storing carbon, and maintaining water cycles. However, the rainforest faces significant threats from human activities, particularly deforestation and land degradation. Preserving the Amazon is not just a regional concern but a global imperative, requiring collective action from governments, organizations, indigenous peoples, and individuals worldwide. The future of the Amazon will ultimately shape the future of our planet. That's all for today. Let's meet in another video. Until then, happy listening all.